Here's the question I got asked. If someone blocks me on LinkedIn, how can I block them in return? Let me show you what blocking is all about, and then I'll tell you what you can and what you can't do. I have the ability to go to a friend's computer and use her computer and log into her account, and I'll show you what she sees. Okay, so here's my friend's computer, and you see she's looking at my LinkedIn profile. This is her right here, and but this is her, and she's looking at my profile. We're first level connected. I'm gonna block her. I'm gonna let her block me. I'm gonna go to more, and I'm gonna block, and I'm gonna simply block. You're about to block Teddy Burriss. You'll no longer be connected, and you will lose any endorsements or recommendations from this person. I don't think she's recommended me. I don't think that I recommended her. Let's go with it. Block. Boom. The block member won't receive any notifications on this action. So I'm going to close that down. Now you can look. You can see, look, it took her away. She cannot see my profile. She can't even bring me up on the screen. I don't come up. There is only one Teddy Burriss on LinkedIn. Oh, look, it references Teddy Burriss in this post right there. But that's the only thing. References Teddy. Teddy's all over LinkedIn. Burriss Consulting. She can see my company page, but she can't see me. She can see anything that may have me in it, but she's not going to see any of my posts, any of my comments, and she's not going to see my LinkedIn profile. Let me go see what I see, because remember, she's blocked me. I'm going to go to my profile. I'm going to go to my computer. Here I am on my computer. I'm going to bring up Megan. Look, the only because it was a recent search is why that's there. It was a recent search. But what happens when I click on that recent search? Nada. There's no people named Megan Jewelli. Whether or not they're connections or not. Let's go to, let's look at post. There's no post. She doesn't use LinkedIn next to it. She's gone. I can't find her. If I can't find her, then I can't block her. Blocking is a mutual activity. One person blocks and it impacts both people equally. I can't see her. She can't see me. So there's actually no need, for the most part, for that redundant step, except for this. If she unblocks me, then I may see her again, and she may see me again. Let me go back to her computer. Give me a moment. Here's her computer. Let's see who she's got blocked. Give me a second to set that up. It's under settings and privacy. It's under visibility. It's down here, blocking. Give me set that up. She only has one person blocked. That is me. So and I don't know if she can do it right now. Let me see if I can do this unblock. I might not be able to. Enter her password, unblock member. Oh, look, I was able to unblock it immediately. Okay, so now if I go back to her account and search for Teddy, there he is right there. Now second level, because when you block, you remove a connection. Let me go back and see what I see on my computer. Give me 1 second. I'm going to hit enter. There she is. It says first level, but I'm pretty sure it's second. Yeah, it switched to second. So now that she has unblocked me, and only because she has unblocked me, or i.e. she does not have me blocked, I can click on more and I can block her. Once someone blocks you, you can't see their profile to be able to block them. However, if they unblock you, then, and you will only know that they unblocked you if they start showing up, their content starts showing up, their comments start showing up, or they start engaging with you. That's pretty much the only way you're going to know that they unblocked you, unless you're relentlessly sitting there looking for them. But once she's unblocked me, I can now go report block her, and I can block her. Again, I'm going to ignore that and not do it. The bottom line is when someone blocks the other person, it impacts both equally until that person unblocks you, and then you could, if you have a need, go and block them. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist and advisor, and I hope this is helpful for you.